I don't wanna be a one-man band. I don't wanna be a rolling stone alone, putting miles on a run-down van. Baby, we could take our own show on the road. I'll lay down the beat, you carry the tune. We'll get tattoos and we'll trash hotel rooms. Baby, take my hand. I don't wanna be a one-man band. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I'm going to teach you how to play One Man Band by Old Dominion. This is just the chords, by the way, so I'm not going to show you the intro picking parts and stuff like that because I like to play songs that I can play and sing at the same time. So that's what I'm trying to teach for you and for other people. So real quick, if you like this video, please like it on and click like and subscribe so that you'll get notified when I come out with new ones. And that's it. So anyway, let's go into it. Standard tuning, Capo on the 4th fret. You're going to use, there's a lot of like chord movement on this one, but it's not super difficult. So the verses are basically just going to be D and G. Okay. So when you do D, though, what you're basically going to want to strum just these bottom 3 strings. Okay. So you're just going to want to do the G, B, and a little E strings. Okay. So it's, and maybe the D a little bit, but not a ton. And then then you go to G, and you're still doing basically those same strings, and that makes it sound more like it, right? See, so been flying solo for so long, nobody's singing the harmony. Okay, so that's the verses. The verses are just that D and G. All right. There's different ways that you can strum it, but what I'm going to recommend is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So you go down, down, up. Okay, then you're just going down, up, then down, down. So you go down, and then you kind of wait like a split second. Go down, down, up. Okay, so notice that down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down. This is a really easy strumming pattern. Down, down, up. Okay. Okay, so that's the strumming pattern for the verses. Okay, so then when you get to the pre-chorus, then you're going to use E minor and B minor for most of it. Okay, so you're going to do and I found you. So notice this is a different strumming pattern. It changes. And I found you like a melody. You were singing in the same key as me. We had them dancing in the streets. Okay, so it's E minor. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And you can do that a little bit differently. Like this isn't exactly how they're playing it, right? They're picking it, so it's kind of just what you're doing to the rhythm. But and I found you like a melody. So I'm just doing down, 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 and I'm doing a little I kind of like go up and down as I'm transitioning from chords. I do that all the time. You don't have to do that, okay? You could just go down. If I found, and I found you like a melody. You were singing in the same key as me. So I'm just doing 2 downs on each one, on that one. Otherwise I'm going down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so it's just that's very simple, and it's similar to how you're doing it in the verses anyway. All right, it's just a lot shorter. And then you end it on an A. So you go down, down, down. So E minor down, 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 up, down. B minor down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you do that twice, and then you go to E minor, and you go to A. So the A is the very last part. We had them dancing in the streets, on A. Okay, so then when you do that, then you're going to the chorus, and this is where there's more chord movement and stuff, but the strumming and everything's still very easy. So you're gonna start with G. Okay. And it doesn't matter if you start with this G like that, or if you start with this G, the more traditional G, okay? So you're gonna do, I don't wanna be a one. So on 1 is when you're gonna start strumming on the G. So it's, I don't wanna be a one-man band. So in this you're gonna strum just like you were, well, pretty much just like you were for the pre-chorus, okay? So it's, I don't wanna be a one-man band. A, wanna be, and then, so the way that I remember this is This is kind of funny, but I like this stuff helps me remember the order of the chords faster. So the beginning of it is ga, okay? So it's G-A. So it's I don't want to be a G-A. And then you're going to do dab, okay? Remember like how all those stupid athletes were doing the dabbing thing? That's what you're going to do here, okay? So then it's D-A, B minor, okay? And it follows that through the whole chorus until the very end. You just don't do the last part of it. So you just do the, I'll show you. So you don't do the, you're going to do this part 3 times, okay? So you're going to do G, A, D, A, B minor, okay? And I'm just doing that strumming that's just down, 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 and I'm just doing the down like this part, the little up and down as I transition chords. You don't have to. I think it sounds really great, but that's just how I like to do it. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, notice that. So you're doing down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then when you do the D, A, B minor, you're doing down, down, down. Okay, so then you skip a count every time, or you do a count faster. So remember that. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, I'm doing that little thing in the middle of it where I strum up and down the transition. You don't have to. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so you do that 3 times, and then at the end of the chorus, you just do the G-A-D. So it's just kind of like gad. Like, I don't know if you ever heard someone old say gad free or gad, but so anyway, you just do, baby, take my hand, and you mute there, okay? So it ends on the G-A, and then it goes back into the verse, but it's, I don't want to be a one-man band. I don't want to be a one-man band. Okay, so that's how the chorus goes. So now you know like 80% of the song. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the chorus real quick. So I'm just going to sing it. Watch my hands as I do it. Remember, it's G, A, D, G, A, D, A, B minor. G, A, D, A, B minor. Okay, remember that 3 times, and at the end it's just a little bit different. So, I don't want to be a one-man band. I don't want to be a rolling stone alone, putting miles on a run-down van. Baby, we could take our own show on the road. I'll lay down the beat, you carry the tune. We'll get tattoos and we'll trash hotel rooms. Baby, take my hand. That's the ending on the A. I don't want to be a one-man band. Then you do the second verse, okay? And I think you strum it through like twice, the D, G, twice, and then you go into the second verse again, okay? So then the difference when you get to the bridge, it's a slightly different, okay? So there's an F sharp minor in there. However, if you did a G, I don't think anybody would notice unless they know the song. So just remember that, like, there's a lot of things in guitar that are not specific, they don't have to be exact. So it's when the spotlight goes cold, the curtains come down, the chairs are all stacked and there's no one around. Nobody's paying, we'll still be playing. Okay, you can just do those single strums. Frankly, I would, because I think it slows it down and makes it so beautiful sounding. So you do G, okay? When the spotlights go cold, G is cold, and the curtains go down, or come down, that's when you do A, is on come down. The chairs are all, then you do F sharp minor, and F sharp minor is basically, you should bar this, okay? You should do a bar of the 2nd fret. However, if that's hard for you, just do it like a power chord. So you're gonna do your pointer finger on the E string on the 2nd fret, and then you're gonna do, this is how I play power chords. I use my ring and pinky fingers. You can just do it with your thumb if you want. But I put my ring finger right here, so it's like that one there, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret, or sorry, on the 4th fret on the A string, and then I put my pinky, all right, then I put my pinky right there on the 4th fret on the D string. Okay, so it looks like that. Now you should be holding this down. All right, holding that down across all of them, but if you can't do that, just do it as a power chord, okay? So, the chairs are all stacked, okay, stacked, and that's when you're doing the F sharp minor. This is stacked and there's no one, and then you do G, around, and nobody's paying. So on nobody's paying, that's E minor, okay? Nobody's paying. Then you're gonna do A. We'll still be playing. Playing is A, all right? So just to walk you through that one more time, just pay attention here. When the spotlight goes cold, G, the curtains come down, A. The chairs are all F sharp minor stacked and there's no one around, G. And nobody's paying, E minor. We'll still be playing. Okay, then you go into the chorus again. I don't wanna be a one-man band. I don't wanna be a rolling stone alone, putting miles on a run down van. Baby, we could take our own show on the road. Okay, that's how the song goes. And at the end of the song, you're just playing it like the same way that you did at the beginning of the song. So it's just, I don't wanna be a one-man band. So just D, G. I don't wanna be a one-man band. Okay, that's the whole song. No. And that's how I end it. No. Anyway, that's the song and the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have any questions or requests for new songs in the comments. Thanks, guys.